morning, guys. I hope you had a nice week already. I think I'm gonna upload this video on Friday or Thursday, so yeah, I hope you had a great week. Today is Tuesday, if I haven't told you that already. Today I don't have too much to do. I have to film a question and answer video for my patrons, and I will also update you on something that happened to my shop. If you have been following me on Instagram or Patreon, you already know about it, but something happened and I'm still dealing with it, and it's not so much fun. But I cannot really change it, so kind of have to live with it and find new solutions. I'm going to update you on that later, but now I'm going to do some quick sketches and drawings of some bodies, because I am currently trying to incorporate more drawing into my daily routine, and I'm also trying to work on my anatomy skills and like drawing bodies and figures. It's really hard and I don't really do it so much, so I want to do a lot more of that so I can improve. This morning I already went to the gym, and then I came back home and had my green juice. This is kind of like my new routine I'm trying to stick to, like getting up pretty early in the morning and then working out first thing. It also does wonders for my back because I get really bad back pain when I sit at the desk all day. I am now 8 months pregnant, and it really is tiring to sit at the desk like the whole day. Enough of that. Baby's kicking. Let's get to work. I just finished these sketches and it always takes me forever to draw bodies. I think these three, they took me an hour. It took me about an hour, but I'm happy with the results actually. Okay, so I quickly just wanted to sit down with you and tell you about the changes to my shop and why it is closed at the moment. So basically in the beginning of the year, the postal office here in Germany, they decided that it is not allowed anymore to ship goods in normal envelopes for normal envelope shipping prices to foreign countries. This means that if I would want to ship a sticker pack or something to the US, I can still do that, but shipping is much more, at least 4 times more of the original price. It also means that for a couple of products, shipping is more than the actual product, which is not so ideal. And they also came up with another new requirement, which is that everything that you ship to non-European countries, you have to kind of fill out a little form for the declaration, I think it's called, and you have to fill out what's inside of your envelope, how much it weighs, what it is exactly, how much it costs, and all that stuff. And I always did that on a declaration sticker by hand, and now it changed. I have to digitally transfer all the data of the products and also of the customer, which means like address and everything, email address or phone number, to my local post office prior to shipping it. And I can also not buy postage stamps in bulk anymore, which I always did before. So I would always buy like a lot of postage stamps, and I kind of knew what shipping would cost for each product in each size. So I just put it on there and put it in my next mailbox or bring it to the post office. Now this is not possible anymore. So now I have to go fill out everything online. I cannot bulk purchase anything anymore, so I have to, for every postage stamp, I have to fill out all the data for every customer. It just takes a long time. It's a long process, and this comes together with increased shipping rates. I think in December, end of December last year, or I don't know, before I really got back into my work routine, I hosted a sale over on my shop because I wanted to get rid of everything and create new products and kind of like relaunch my shop. I hosted this sale. I got a bunch of orders from everywhere around the world, and I did not know about the new change yet. The day I went to the post office to just get something that I needed, they told me that I can no longer do that, like do what I always used to do, because I used to go there twice a week at least to ship all my orders. So they were like, you cannot do that anymore. I mean, you can, but it's like increased shipping rates and stuff. So I was like, okay, it's not a problem. I'm just gonna do that. And yeah, I started packing at first, but I quickly realized that shipping rates are just so high that I would have to even invest. Because I sold the old products for the old price, now there are new shipping prices, but the customer already purchased the item with the shipping rate that I had there. So, and I kind of figured that it doesn't make sense to ship all these orders, because I would actually have to invest in shipping them because shipping rates increased so much, and it also takes ages to set up one shipping label. So I had to cancel and refund all the orders. I also had to stop shipping goodie bags for my patrons because I had the same problem over there. I let my patrons know and I asked them what kind of reward they would like to have instead. So now each month I do a live stream, like a live drawing, and exclusive question and answer videos, so they can ask me questions and I answer all of them. But back to my shop, I tried a lot of stuff. I quickly talked about that problem on my Instagram, and a lot of you guys suggested to get a service which I can kind of implement to my shop, and they would like get all the data and prepare the shipping label, which is like the perfect solution to my problem. But it is not compatible with my local post office, so this is not really a possibility. I tried it. I asked Dominic to help me. He tried everything he could. It didn't work out. So now I closed the shop for a while until I know what to do. I looked into Printful. I don't know if you guys know that, but I'm not sure. I still have to test it out and try it out. And yeah, that is the problem. I'm still right in the middle of it. I still don't have a solution, but I kind of want to have some kind of shop, even if it's a third-party shop or anything, So yeah, that's it. That's my little update. Yeah, now I'm gonna go for a walk with Cooper, and when I come back I'm gonna make myself some lunch. Okay, I am back from the walk with Cooper now, and I had to recharge the battery of the camera, so I couldn't take you with me. But I quickly wanted to show you what I'm gonna have for lunch. Lately I really like to have some oven veggies with lentils and a dressing that I'm gonna make. So today I have some leftover cauliflower and broccoli, some sweet potato, some different beans and mushrooms. And I'm gonna make some red lentils. I'm gonna cut up all of the veggies and put them on a baking tray and season them with whatever I find and put it in the oven. And then at the end I'm gonna mix this with the lentils. Alright, I just prepped all the veggies and seasoned them with some like Indian spices, curry and turmeric, salt and pepper and garlic. And I'm gonna put them into the oven and I'm gonna make the lentils now. I'm also making a little dressing for the oven baked veggies. I'm using coconut yogurt for this, some maple syrup, tamari sauce and paprika powder, but I think I'm gonna add maybe some apple cider vinegar too, or salt, or I don't know. I'm just playing around with it. Alright, now the veggies are done, the lentils are done, and the dressing is done. And all I do now is just mix everything together. I'm also gonna add some hummus to it and some frozen raspberries. And this is the finished lunch. I have a lot of leftovers and I love keeping them in the fridge, so I have something for my lunch tomorrow. This is such a pretty view. So I just spent the last 30 minutes or so going through all the questions that you guys ask over on my Patreon, because I am preparing to film the question and answer video, and I'm trying to kind of mark the different areas you touched on so I can kind of structure the video a little better. So these are the questions that you guys sent in, and I will now film a video about it. Hi guys. I just filmed the question and answer video for my patrons, and it took me 1.5 hours of talking, and now my voice is scratchy and I feel super tired. So and I'm about to meet a friend for dinner. So I'm gonna end the vlog here for today. I feel like this would be a very short one because I didn't do much drawing today, just in the morning, and the rest is basically just food. So I think I will continue vlogging tomorrow, so the vlog will be a little bit more interesting. But tomorrow morning we have a doctor's appointment for the little baby, just a checkup, and after that I think I'm going to start vlogging. So see you tomorrow. Hey guys, I just got back from my midwife appointment and it is 11 AM now, and now I'm editing the question and answer video that I filmed yesterday. And then I also have this water bottle right beside me. I got this on Amazon, and it is 100% bamboo except of this thing right here, and I just keep filling it up with water and it makes me drink more, which is really nice. is 4 p.m. now, and I am still editing the video, and I haven't done anything else besides that except of having my lunch, but I'm almost done. So I'm so sorry, but today I don't have anything interesting to show. But now I'm gonna make myself a tea. I realized that I didn't show Cooper in this vlog. So here he is. Hi, Cooper. Stay. I am finally done with editing it. It actually took me the whole day. But I am done, and I'm pretty happy with it. And now I am super tired and super hungry, so I will end the day here. It is now 7:30. I hope you liked the vlog. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.